can you use the distributive property to solve an equation? Think about this question during the lesson. Chen is a big fan of graphic novels. Each of the 10 graphic novels in Chen's collection increased in value by $3.50 in the last few years. The current total value of his collection is $75. If each graphic novel has the same value, what was the original value of one graphic novel? How can you represent the current cost of one graphic novel? If we let G represent the original value of one graphic novel, then the current value is G plus $3.50. We can use an area model to represent the situation and write an equation. The model represents the current value of Chen's collection, 10 books, each one with an original value of G, and each increased in value. Each part of the area model represents part of the total current value of the collection. We can now use the model to write an equation. An expression for the area of the model is the product of length and width. It's 10 times the quantity G plus 3 and 50 hundredths, which we know is equal to 75. Solve for G to find the original cost of each graphic novel. Which property should you use first to solve the equation?
Select your answer.
You should use the distributive property first and simplify the left side of the equation. Next, subtract 35 from both sides. Simplify. Then you can divide each side by 10 to isolate the variable. Simplify one more time to isolate the variable. We can use mental math to check that the solution is reasonable. Think. 10 times 4 plus 3 and 50 hundredths is 10 times 7 and 5 tenths, or 75. The solution checks.